everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me Priyanka Guru, and in this video, I'm going to share my personal experience about the things I learned in my 20s. Yeah, let's get started. Since I'm turning 21 after few days, and these are the biggest lesson life has taught me so far. Number one, living alone taught me independence. Since I live alone, living alone has changed me in ways that I never expected. Like I learned how to manage time, cook, clean, make decisions, and solve problems on my own without depending on someone else. At first, I felt scared, but now I feel more confident in myself. Number two, stop overthinking and start doing. I wasted so much time thinking about what could go wrong, but the truth is, most of the thing I worried about never happened. And yeah, taking first step is usually harder than the journey itself, and I quite agree with this because like I used to think so much. I just used to lay down in my bed and think for an hour about that most silly thing, that what I need to do, what I need to make, what content should I make. Before starting all this, I only used to think, and even about the big things like about my career, which competitive exam I should prepare for. But now I feel that you should not only just think, but you actually need to start doing. Number three, don't expect everyone to keep the word. I have learned not everyone means what they say. Some people make promises like they never intend to keep. Instead of depending on words, I pay more attention to the actions. The fourth is learn to say no. I kept saying yes to everything and it left me exhausted. Saying no isn't rude, it means respecting your own time, energy, and boundaries. Fifth is quality over quantity. I used to think having a lot of friends is important, but now one genuine person who truly supports you is worth more than having a lot of friends who are only around you when it's convenient. Number six, do it yourself. If there's thing I can do myself, I try to do it. Depending too much on others can lead to disappointment, and being independent gives me confidence. Number seven, never give up too early. Many times I feel like quitting because I didn't see results immediately. Like for now, I am paying consistency in YouTube and Instagram as well, but I could not see the results immediately. But still, I am trying and hoping to continue this. So yeah, let's hope for the best. And I have also learned that success often comes after consistency, patience, and after many failed attempts. The eighth lesson is genuine compliment cost nothing. I have realized that a simple genuine compliment can change someone's entire whole day. Like few days ago, I complimented one sister, and the reaction from her side was so positive that it really touched me. And even if you're having a bad day, trust me, it's gonna be a good whole day for you all. Kind words don't cost anything, but it can mean everything to someone else. So, the last but not least is confidence comes from practice. I wasn't always confident. Talking to new people made me feel nervous and I doubted myself often. But then the more I stepped out of my comfort zone, the easier it became. And also, it has a saying that confidence isn't something you are born with, it's something you can build. So, yeah. So, moving to my last lesson, life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. I have stopped waiting for the perfect time, the perfect opportunity, or the perfect version of myself. Life is happening right now. The moments, the laughter, the mistakes, and even the difficult days all become the part of the beautiful journey. So, yeah, these were the biggest lessons I have learned in my first 20 years of life. I am sure there are many more lessons waiting for me as I step into 21, and I'm excited to keep learning, growing, making mistakes, and becoming the best version of myself. Thank you for being part of my journey. If any of these lessons resonated with you, let me know in comments. And I'd love to hear what life has taught you too. For more videos like this, please subscribe and keep loving me. Bye.